Hey guys, I'm Shrestha and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a flute video, and this video is Christmas themed, as you can see from the snow globe and the tiny Christmas tree. And I kind of wanted to do something different for this flute video. I want to go outside because this white background isn't really cutting it for me. It's kind of plain, even though it looks like snow. I just kind of want to go to a more nature background. I know where to go, so let's go. Guys, look at all the fall colors. Whee! So, hi guys, I'm Shrestha and welcome to Shrestha's Awesome Videos. So, this was the fall background that I was talking about. There's so many leaves, and I also have a big tree behind, so this is the nature background. And today I am going to be doing another video. So I'm going to be playing Jingle Bells on the flute. And I'm also going to be whistling it and singing it, of course. I can't break the streak. And it's really cold here, so I don't know if I can stay here long. So the reason why my nature background isn't snowy is because we live in California. And California does not snow that much because it's way warmer here than any other states in the US. So now I'll show you my magnificent flute. So I know I was just outside doing the flute part of the video, but I also want to do a whistling part. And it is also really cold outside, and these leaves just don't cut it for me. So I'm going to whistle inside with a plain boring background. But it kind of looks like snow though, so I guess it fits with the theme. So I'll start. So, I know most of you know the song Jingle Bells, but just in case you don't or need to refresh your memory, I'll sing it for you. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. So, thank you guys so much for watching the whole video, and I hope you like it. And remember to make sure to stick around for the next video because it might just be Christmas themed also. And also, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can know whenever I post a new video, and share it so that other people can see this video. And comment down below, what is your holiday that you celebrate in the winter time? Because not everyone celebrates Christmas. Some people celebrate Hanukkah and other things like that. So remember to comment down below what winter holiday that you celebrate. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye! See you in the next video.